The ocean's depths harbor creatures stranger than fiction, thriving in extreme conditions. Take the anglerfish. Its glowing lure attracts unsuspecting prey in absolute darkness. Only the female anglerfish possesses this bioluminescent bait, a modified dorsal fin ray. Male anglerfish are tiny, attaching parasitically to the female, fusing into her body. Then there's the colossal squid, the largest invertebrate, with eyes the size of basketballs. These mysterious giants dwell thousands of feet down, rarely seen by human eyes. The Dumbo octopus, named for its ear-like fins, gracefully flies through the deep. It's found at depths of over 13,000 feet, making it the deepest living octopus. Many deep-sea animals don't use sight. They rely on chemosynthesis or echolocation. The deep ocean remains Earth's last unexplored frontier, hiding countless more secrets.